One of the most important freedoms we have as human beings is the freedom to make our own choices. We can make choices that have a positive impact and move us forward. Or we can make choices that have a negative impact on us, our neighbors, and even strangers. When a client I consulted with had a choice to make in how he approached working with his team, he chose negativity. This manager pitted people against each other, took credit for their work, and demeaned them in front of their colleagues. The result? Productivity sunk, people left, and profit suffered. All because one person was not accountable when making a choice. Making positive choices is difficult if you surround yourself with too much negativity. Look at the social media. Because of the way social media works, it is easy to find other people who are negative. Negativity continues to build until it becomes the norm. Before you know it, you are a master of doom and gloom. Do yourself a favor. Make positive choices. If someone on social media is being negative, ignore them or call them on their negativity. It is easy to get caught up in negativity. When you choose to be negative, you can avoid dealing with an issue that is a challenge or one that makes you uncomfortable. You probably can think of a few people that actually seem to get pleasure from being negative. Once you decide to take the high road and choose to be positive, you gain access to an internal source of strength. It is hard to explain, but choosing to be accountable by making positive choices gives you an internal calm and confidence that allows you to deal with any challenge you may face in life. Instead of making excuses and whining, make things right. Each of us has that option every day at work, at home, in our communities. When you make positive choices, positive results happen.